Hello, it's your girl Juicy Tot, and I am coming to you all today with two new subscription boxes. It's the Curl Kit and which one is it? The Curl Box. Okay, it came like this. This is the Curl Box. This is it. Came in a box like this. This is my first time getting this one, and this is my second time getting the Curl Kit. So let's start with, I guess, the Curl Box since I got this one. So when I open the box, this is what was on top. This. It's a little late. I had it for a couple of days, but I just haven't had time to, well, more than a couple of days. Had time to make this video. And this is what was in here. And it just has like everything that's on the inside. And this is my, well, this here. And that's mail. And hold, see if I can get this up one hand. Okay. But yes, I am in the bed like always. That's the only time I shoot videos. Once I get home. Okay, then you got, it says this is a pretty box, Curl Box. See, pretty. And when you open it, it has bubble wrap. Wrapped real nice. And you have pink tissue paper. And you open it up. The lighting here is so horrible. I do it every time I shoot a video. But this is what it consists of. Shea Moisture products, all full size. So I got the coconut hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie with stick protein and neem oil. It's for thick curly hair, anti-frizz, moisture and shine, well, I guess it's Spanish. Then I got the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo with sea kelp and argan oil for dry, damaged hair. It says it heal, grow, and strengthen. Okay. It's sulfite free and color safe. Then I have the Lavender and Wild Orchid Shea Butter Soap. It's healing, hydrating, and calming. It's a nice little block. Of course, it's hard. Then I have the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner with sea kelp and argan oil for dry, damaged hair. And then I have the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Frizz Free Curl Mousse. Oh, I do that when I twist my hair. Okay. Alright. So, yeah. That is the Curl Kit for January. No, the Curl Box for January. My bad. And it's a subscription service. You pay, what? I think this is $25 for this one every month. And you can cancel it anytime you want. And it's good for natural. And so let's move on. Ooh, that box is heavy. To my Curl Kit. It came in an envelope like this. If it out on my bed. And this was in the envelope. Too Chic Ultra Volume Collection. And it is samples. You get the Too Chic Ultra Volume Shampoo, the Ultra Volume Conditioner, the Leave-In Conditioner Elixir, and the Amplifying Styling Gel. That's it. And this is what the box look like. Like I said, both of these are for January. And a little bit February be rolling in. Ooh, the glare. Okay. And then you get, this is on top. Curl Life. Okay. And then this is how it comes. It says Curl Kit, Curl by Nature. Well, Curly by Nature. Can't see that. And you open it up. And this is what is inside for this month. And you get this. What is that? Husk. Macadamia oil. The moisturizer shampoo. And then you get the moisturizing conditioner. Like it's a lot in these. So, can't wait to try that. Then you get the Eco Natural Cocktail Conditioner. Superfruit Complexes. New. Found a woman. Okay. Then I got the Caribbean Natural Black Castor and Coconut Oil. I use black castor oil on my hair. I've never used the black castor oil and coconut oil. Now this right, it make your hair really soft. That's a good product to have. And then I got the Dove Advanced Hair Series Quench Absolute for curly coarse hair. I don't know if I'm gonna try this, but yeah, it was fun. Then I got the Too Chic Tangerine and Papaya Butter Ultra Volume Shampoo for fine lip hair. I don't have fine hair. My hair is very thick. As my mom said, I got that real nigga hair. I got the Eco Cocktail. What did that say? Strengthens hair and roots. I don't know exactly what this is. It just say Eco Cocktail hair and roots. I don't know what it's for. What you do with it. Okay. I guess I'll find that out. Then I got this full size body scrub. Ori Naturals infused with green tea, aloe vera, and calendula. I guess that's how you pronounce that. Well, that is it for today's video, you guys. And I shall come to you, hopefully, with the haul. I got some stuff in, but I don't like going